And on the list, we also have being a sales rep. So we've talked about high ticket, but high ticket works because there's the person making the course and they can take the sales calls themselves. But when they want to scale, they obviously can't be taking, 20 sales calls a day because the sales call is like 45 minutes long, which you have to really take up an hour of your day. Not to mention that there's no shows. So sometimes people don't show up to calls. And if you run ads, half the people might not show up. Like that's average. So if you have 10 call slots a day, you work 10 hours a day, but you're only really taking 5 calls per day to begin with. So you need sales reps. And that's what this business is. It's not really a business. It's more like you're self-employed, to be honest, which is why I'm going to put it in A tier, because if you learn how to sell, so many opportunities just open up, because then you can start a program about how to sell. You can charge $10,000 for that. Like seriously. I've seen programs for how to sell, they cost a lot of money. They never cost under $5,000. And then that would be the smartest progression. If I were a sales rep, or I was going to become one, I would learn to be the best I can in sales. And then I would start my own training company to teach people how to sell. Because the sales rep is never going to make $100K per month on commission, but he's going to make $100K to $500K per month teaching other people how to become better at sales. And as you can see, like, it all comes down to selling digital products, teaching something you know or something that you're passionate about. And that's exactly how, again, I've made thousands of dollars per day in profit. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.